Hi friends, now I enter into another question. In this question, they ask you the fundamental concept of OOPS, object-oriented programming concept. But it is related to main method. They ask you the question that can we overload the main method in Java? If I overload the main method, then what happens? JVM call which method? Listen my words. Overloading means the method name is same, but the parameters are different. Here you see, I just defined two main methods. This is overloading. Here you see public static void main string args array. Your public static void main int args array reference of int type. Now this is called as overloading. I overload the method. Method name is same, but the parameters are different. Can it be possible? Yes. As a programmer, I can overload the main method. You remember one thing, if I overload the main method, compiler treat them as two different methods. But remember, JVM call one method. What the method JVM call? The main method that has the parameter of array reference of string type, that is called. Array reference of int type, never be called. It's not an error. It's not a problem in time of execution. But JVM only call this method. The method that contains the parameter that is array reference of string type is called by JVM. So if anybody asks you, can you overload the main method in Java? You tell that yes, as a programmer, I can overload the main method. But the compiler treat them as two different methods. And JVM call only the main method that contains the parameter that is array reference of a type, string, that is called.